Oh, okay, yeah.
That's it, fucking mark. Shelsley, Walsh, I told you.
She shit herself, did her?
You what?
That kid walking down the road, heard the bikes coming and fucking jumped out of her skin.
I'd get her a bit of fucking exhaust.
I'd just let off on this and this pops like fuck, done it on the overrun.
Yeah.
Come on, Duke, go. Fuck's sake.
Watch the gravel in the middle of the road.
Yeah, I'd already expected that with a building site. Oh, come on, mate, what you doing?
You got round him yet?
I can't. Too many cars coming the other way though to come past. I take it we're just following this for a bit. I know, you're back. I can see her.
Can you see me?
Yeah.
At the fucking side, let's go nearly as quick as I was just.
I'm a coming. I'm with
Yeah, yeah.
fucking shit in the middle of the road. Yeah, I sorted the light at the petrol station. You hear me?
Just about.
Why the fuck's that really quiet?
Is it by your gob?
Yeah.
Because your fucking visors open.
I think it was because my neck corner was in between. Yeah, I have. Bump there.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
It's great. Fucking sun's right in my eyes now. You couldn't stop there, watch him on that fucking
Yeah.
BMW wanker.
Why do I feel like I've been down here before?
Well, but it was a few years ago when we went to Shelsley, Walsh, right? It's our board. All clear, mate.
Thank you.
It's their port 9 that way. We'll go this way.
Oh, okay.
Mini's under there.
Yeah. Probably brought him.
Yeah.
Do you miss your minis?
I do, yeah, I do. Me and Sean had this conversation not long ago. I do, man. I don't miss driving them. I miss having them.
Yeah, you miss owning and looking at them.
Yeah.
Enough to buy another, or?
The option is always there, isn't it?
See, I miss my Metro.
Yeah, I miss what I miss the old one, but I miss it just for the fucking sheer fun and power of it.
That's why I think I missed the Metro, because it was fucking just hooligan stuff.
You couldn't talk to each other in it. Oh, fucking loud. Because he's moved house and everything, and
Oh, okay, yeah. Obviously, that's...
He's got to be painted now. That's the next thing, which he thinks is going to go sometime in sort of April, May, June time.
Oh, okay, yeah, it's just obviously the house is taking priority, ain't it?
Yeah. Yeah, well, he's got the money to do it. It's going to cost him about 5-6 grand for a paint job.
Fucking hell.
For what he wants.
Load
He only wants it in the basic fucking, like, British Leyland fucking orange.
Okay. But a proper paint job instead of...
He wants a fucking, yeah, he wants like a top quality paint job.
But the thing is, if you're spending that much money doing it, why not? And if you've got the money to do it...
Yeah. Don't see a fucking thing. Not doing it. Nice that gravel.
Yeah. Cheers, mate.
I don't know what's this. Shit in the road.
Smells like it as well.
Oh yeah. More shit in the road. Follow me.
Last time you said that, we went down a pedestrian route.
Yeah, big shit in the road.
Ooh, yep.
Oh no, fucking, oh man, it's all wet. Who the fuck ordered this lot? On the dry bit, dry the tyres off. You ever been to Shelsley, Walsh?
No?
Yeah.
Never.
They do like open days, like car days and stuff like that. Yeah.
Open now or?
I don't know, to be honest. They've got a cafe.
Oh, the hill climb.
Yeah.
It's over the Red Marley, is it?
No.
I would say it's been years. I ain't been there since I was a kid.
There's the start line. You want to see if the cafe's open?
Yeah, can do. There's enough cars about, isn't there?
Well, there's a few, isn't there?
We just.
No, we're not fucking going
I was going to say we're just going around in circles here.
Yeah. These are the famous sheds where they park the cars to race them.
Yeah, we are just going around in circles, aren't we?